Hey, Dare, what's up?
Hey, Farah, how are you today?
I'm fine. By the way, did you know about the problem of our country?
Yes, I did.
What do you think about the problem of our country?
I think the problem of our country sort from the government because the government makes RKUHP without give information to society.
Yeah, I think so too. Why the government don't give information about RKUHP?
For us, I suppose the government only pay attention themselves and the government doesn't care about our country.
Maybe so too.
By the way, where is Dan?
Oh yeah, right.
Morning, bro.
Morning.
Sorry, I coming late
Yeah.
because I get traffic in the road.
Yeah, no problem.
What is it?
Yes, well, thank you.
Then,
Yes.
did you know the problem of our country?
I did. On the way to come here, there are many people demonstration in front of the building.
So, what do you think about it?
I think college student needed explanation for about using RKUHP.
Yes, the government didn't give information where they make it.
Yeah, and I think the government make RKUHP. Perhaps the government want to make Indonesia to be better.
Oh, I don't think so. I think the government make RKUHP just make trouble to society daily life.
Hey guys, what's up?
What's up?
Mungkin 5 kali tarikan.
Where have you been?
As usual, I have many difficult time. You know me, that you know about it, don't you?
Yes, I know you.
Okay.
By the way, do you know the problem in Indonesia?
No, I don't, because you must know me. I have a many difficult time, and I don't think about it. So what happened about it?
What a very man because know it in our country has many problems like or this type.
Oh, I just know it. So can you tell me about it?
Oh, I think no important for you, man.
Okay, never mind. Okay.
I worry about the condition of our country.
Don't worry.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, don't waste your time to think about it. By the way, have you eaten?
Oh,
No.
Nice.
Can you pay me?
Oh, come on, let's get some fun thing to eat.
Okay, let's go.